Hello, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to replace an air filter on a 2010 to 2017 BMW 528i. Before we get started, if you can give this video a like, share, or if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button. Our first step is to remove the strut brace from the core support. Notice there are two different lengths to the hardware removed. The longer bolt is to the strut tower. Then, once gaining access to the airbox lid, locate and loosen the latches, exposing the air filter. A dirty air filter can rob horsepower and hurt gas mileage. The filter in this video isn't too bad in my opinion, but we are going to replace it anyways. Clean the air filter box and replace the filter with the Performance K&N model. Before installing the new air filter, I like to compare the new filter with the old filter to be sure a proper fit. Next, install the new air filter to the airbox, latch the lid to the airbox, and reinstall the strut to the core support brace. Here is a quick comparison video between the filters.